Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome. And I got the silver swag box for December, y'all. This is the December box, and I'm super excited to open it. I love this box, y'all. It has become one of my very favorite boxes. This box was created by the sister duo Brandy and Ashley. Lovely, lovely ladies, and they did this to stay in contact with their aunt when COVID happened. And it's just boomed. This helped a lot of people during COVID keep in touch with their loved ones, and it's continued to. And I do have CATS15 that'll save you $15 off your first order. And this box is $49.99, and there's a little bit of a fee for shipping. So what these ladies do, Miss Brandy, Miss Ashley, they did this for their aunt, who was a bit of a distance away, and they couldn't go see her because of COVID. You know, she was locked in, they were locked in, everybody was locked in. So they came up with this fabulous box, and then they decided to send it out to y'all. So their mission is to help busy families send love and stay connected to loved ones with a curated selection of fun and practical items delivered each month. Gifts so fun you'll want one for yourself. And this box is so much fun. All right, so here it is. And it says their special delivery and their silverswagbox.com. And I did cut the seal, so I'm going to open it up. And inside, how beautiful, red tissue, and it says Happy Holidays. Isn't that beautiful? So I just love this box, y'all. It makes a wonderful gift. And whether for yourself as well as for your loved ones. So when you open this up, I always try not to break that sticker because I love it so much. When you open it, this is what you're going to see. There's a couple of cards. In the cards, this one tells you the theme. The theme is Seasons Tweetings. Seasons Tweetings. And on the back of the Seasons Tweetings card is the Stay Connected information. So this is, we hope you enjoy a happy holiday season. Remember to take a break from your to-do list after checking it twice and ask a friend or loved one one of these questions. And there are, what, eight or so questions on here? And like, here's one. What is your favorite holiday memory with your loved ones? And that's just a good way to get the party rolling, or to call up an older loved one on the phone and ask them things like that. They bring back some memories, and then they will enjoy talking to you better. Especially when people say, well, hey, how you doing? You know, on the phone, hey, how you doing? I'm okay, how are you? I'm okay, what's going on? The same old stuff. Ask them a question, and this will get the party started and your conversation going. So, and then the second card, it says Happy Holidays from Silver Swag Box. And this card tells us what's inside. So let's see what's inside. We've got these fabulous squiggly things, and I'm just gonna move them away and see where we go with it. Okay, ooh, oh my, look at that. That looks so much fun. Right here on top, okay, here comes Smudge. You're gonna come, oh, I love this. You're gonna come through, Smudge? Oh, he's gonna go behind the camera, okay. I love this already. This box is so joyful. It brings me so much joy, y'all. It really does, y'all. If you have seen me open this box before, then you know. Here comes Smudge. These are bird seed ornaments. Look at those. Let me show you the back of them. You can see them. They are so cute. It says Fantaseeds. Fantaseeds is the brand. It's an Ipsy shop. There's a cute little card, Fantaseeds. And birdseed ornaments, it says, hang outside for seasons tweetings. Those are fabulous, and you can see they are. Let me see if I can open this up and I'll show you, because, all right, there's this cute twine, red and white twine, and then inside these are on the red and white twine. So you can hang this right in a tree. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in two different trees, and the birds can stop and munch off of these. I love that. And they smell good too. They smell like birdseed. Let's see what it says about that. Oh my goodness, that just makes me so happy. I am finding it on here. Our favorite child, that's not it. All right, hang on. I get a little lost. Let me find it. I'll be back. Well, y'all, those are not on the card, so those must be an extra Christmas bonus. So I am so excited to put those in my tree, and I know that the birds are gonna adore them. I love feeding the birds, y'all. I know a lot of y'all do too. So next we have, oh, I've had these before. These are fun. These are called Sunny Seeds. Look how pretty they are. There's red and green and white in there. And these are the Sunflower Food Company, Sunny, S-U-N-N-Y, seeds. Backed by popular demand, our favorite chocolate-covered sunflower seeds in holiday colors. This is a big package too. These are delicious. These are sunflower seeds and they're covered with chocolate. They're very decadent and delicious and yum. I've had them before. I think I've had them before from the Silver Swag Box. Next up is a cheese ball all-natural spice mix roasted red pepper. Ooh. Okay, so here's all right, let me show it to you. And it's a seasoning mix, all nice seasonings in there, and it's to make a roasted red pepper cheese ball. So that is from the Salt Sisters, S-A-L-T Sisters. You'll be ready for holiday guests anytime with this cheese ball mix. Just add a few simple ingredients. So what you do is you add 8 ounces of cream cheese, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, some grated sharp cheddar. You can put in some green onion if you'd like. And then some Worcestershire. There's some different things you can add. And then you make yourself a cheese ball. And you can, what I always do with cheese balls, and this does say 2/3 of a cup of pecans finely chopped, is then you roll it in the cheese ball, in the nuts, so that then you can form it with your hands really nicely. But there's a lot of fabulous spices in there. I'm excited to try that. That'll be great because, you know, you always have to go to someone's house for something during the Christmas season, and how nice, or even at your own house for an hors d'oeuvre. I see the next thing and I just am so excited once again, y'all. Look at how pretty that is. Let me show it to you and then I'll take it out of the bag. Let me see what this is. This is, I'm looking for it, a cardinal ornament, Sunset Vista Designs. Let me try it. Okay, let me get it. It's taped up nicely so it didn't get damaged. It's very beautiful. Let me take it out of the bag. A cheerful addition to your holiday decor and all winter long. This is beautiful, y'all. It says it's made in, or it's a cardinal ornament. Let's see. Growing Creative, Sunset Vista Designs. This is beautiful. Look at how pretty that is. All right, there, it's metal. So you can have this outside. If you can see the back of it, it's metal. And there's the gorgeous, it looks, it's painted. It has some sprinkle, not sprinkles, what do you call it? Shiny things, shiny sparklies on it. It has the holly leaves and holly little balls on there. And this hangs like this. So you can hang this over your doorway. You could hang this outside. You could hang this against the wall, whatever way you want to do it. I know a perfect place for it. And here comes Smudge, y'all. I love that. So beautiful. Now let me try to get in there, Smudge. He tries to get in there and then I can't get in there. I mean, he gets in there and not tries to get in there. He gets in there and then I can't get the goodies out. He loves the box. Okay, all right, Smudge. I'll be back, y'all. Smudge got in the box. So this goes with the cheese ball, y'all. This is Dippin' Pretzels from the East Shore Specialty Foods. Look at how pretty that's packaged. And these are pretzel sticks. And then you can dip this very nicely into your cheese ball and get you a nice scoop. This is from Heartland, Wisconsin. Oh, I'm gonna love those. I love pretzels. I'm a pretzel person. And then there is this beautiful book, the New York Times, and a crossword in a pear tree, it says. There's some things, the little squigglies in there. This is a beautiful, beautiful book. It's 100 Easy to Hard Crossword Puzzles, edited by Will Shorts. So this is the book. My mother loves crossword puzzles, so I think she will enjoy this for sure. It says, every day is a gift with this merry compilation of New York Times crosswords, which packs hours of solving into a travel-sized paperback. This collection features 200 easy to hard New York Times crosswords, which are the best, you know, the New York Times. Fresh wordplay and contemporary clues. Puzzles edited by the #1 name in crossword, Will Shorts. So fantastic. It's so pretty too for the holidays. It's really pretty. It feels good. It has a texture to it. Instead of just being cardboard, it has a texture to it, which is neat. And as I was unpacking things, I found some nice little, these are those wonderful peppermints that melt. They're like a puff and they melt in your mouth really quick. These are the Redbird handcrafted candies. There's a couple of those in there. And then we have a Velvet Luxe vegan hand cream. Oh, and peppermint swirl. Let me show you that. This is by, whoops. Oh, this is by Vosh, the brand Vosh, New York. Vosh is a product that I've had manicures, kits, manicure and pedicure kits from them. So they're wonderful for your hands and feet products. And this is made with organic virgin oil and avocado oil, a vegan hand cream. So this is keep your skin in mint condition with this luxurious vegan hand and body cream. So it's probably sealed, y'all. I was gonna smell it. So it is, I should show you that it's sealed. So we'll come back to that. Okay, then we have Lark Fine Foods Mexican chocolates. It says cha-chas. So that is rich chocolate cookies with hints of cinnamon and cayenne. So how neat is that? Let's try a few things, y'all. Okay, let's open this up. And this is wrapped like this. Ooh, you know, Mexican chocolate is just really delicious. Did I lose my, I'm telling you, y'all, I never have what I need with me. It was here a minute ago. My scissor, I found it. Okay, here's the scissor. Let's open this up and taste it. And then Mexican cooks like to add like cayenne pepper and cinnamon to their chocolates. It brings out the chocolate, y'all, they say. It's crispy, but it's soft too. That is nice and rich. That's delicious. Okay, that's the cha-chas. Mexican chocolate cookies. And again, we have the mints. We have the peppermint swirl vegan hand cream. We have the sunny seeds, the sunflower, chocolate covered sunflower seeds. These are just decadent. We have the cheese ball spices. We have the beautiful New York Times crossword puzzle book. And we have this gorgeous ornament. Gorgeous ornament. I love that. You could hang that from the tree. You might even be able to put that at the top of your tree. It's beautiful. I just think it would be really pretty in a doorway, you know, hanging from the doorway. That's what I picture it being. And we have the wonderful pretzels, which I'm going to open and try. Let's open them and try these too. So I'll have to cut it because I can just tell I'll have trouble with it if I don't cut it. And these are I love pretzel chips. Pretzels are one of my favorite snacks. And let's not forget our little special extra Christmas gift. These beautiful birdseed cakes. So take this outside and hang it in the tree. I love that. Thank you so much to the ladies. Excuse me. Thank you so much, Brandy and Ashley, for this beautiful box. This is so Christmassy. It's so December. It's so perfect holiday time. It's so wintry. And I just love this box. It's just lots of fun. And Smudge has found his way in the box, and he's very happy in there. I'll take a picture at the end and let you all see him. Thank you so much for stopping by to see my beautiful silver swag box. I am a little late posting this, y'all, because I was out of town. So please forgive me for that. And thanks for stopping by. And I hope you all enjoy this box as much as I do. Y'all, this will make a wonderful gift for any of your family and friends. Wonderful gift. And like I said, for yourself too, tell your family about it. Say, I'd like to get the silver swag box. Y'all take care and count your blessings. Bye-bye. Your favorite box, Smudge?